from example 2.5, which was without using logical operators. From that we know that, or it is evident that we are required to match several ifs and elses and several pairs of braces. That means we have to use nested if else statements. So we can use nested if and else statements, but we have to use several of them. That means too many of them. So from the program it is evident that we are required to match several ifs and elses and several pair of braces also. So it can be complex. As mentioned above, in this example we expect the answer to be either driver is insured or driver is not insured. So the answer expected was uh, is he insured or is not insured. So that is why we were using if else statement. Now if we list down all those cases in which driver is insured, then they would be: A. Driver is married. B. Driver is unmarried male above 30 years of age. C. Driver is unmarried female above 25 years of age. That means these were conditions. Since all these cases lead to the driver being insured, they can be combined together using and or operator as shown in program below. So now we will understand program in which we are using logical operators. So same example as 2.5 we will be doing with logical operator, and we will understand differences. So first line is main, which is compulsory, then char sex ms int age. So age is integer and these sex and ms are characters. Now we have defined that. Now printf enter age, sex, marital status, etc. So we are asking the user to enter these things, so which was same as example 2.5. Now scanf %d %c %c. So we are scanning those things. So %d is for integer, %c is for character. Now if here the logical statement part is starting. Now if ms is equal to m, that means it is uh, comparison, it is an equality. So is equal to is operator. So ms, that is character ms, is capital M, then or, that is logical operator or, ms is equal to u, that is unmarried, and sex is equal to m, and age is more than 30, or ms is equal to unmarried, and sex is equal to f, and age is greater than 25. So here in this one sentence we did all of the calculations. That means we did all of the comparisons. So we don't have to use if and else statement again and again repeatedly. So here we have used or and or and. So these logical operators are used here. So printf driver is insured, else printf driver is not insured. So here we are giving that is it insured or not insured. So in one if statement or if sentence we have mentioned all of the conditions. That is marital status should be married, then or it can be unmarried and it can be male, and age should be less more than 30. So all of these have mentioned within logical operators. In this program, it is important to note that driver will be insured only if one of the conditions enclosed in parenthesis evaluates to true. That means driver will be insured only if conditions are true. So those were the given conditions. So if it is true, then it will evaluate. For second pair of parentheses to evaluate true, each condition in parenthesis separated by and must evaluate to true. So or is used in first condition, and is used. So from this example, we know that using logical operator is always beneficial because it requires a less complexity. So it is always beneficial than using if else statement, if a nested if else again, a loop again and again.